Namaskar. I am Mahamandaleshwar Swami Abhishek Chaitanya Giri. Servants of Shankara Foundation is an organization that has come into existence in 2017. The name suggests that it is in the service of Shankaracharya and it is in the service of knowledge and the tradition of knowledge. The great Adi Shankaracharya and the lineage of the teachers that have followed him have brought to us a treasure of knowledge and a map of spiritual life. In order to achieve that, we need to be associated with the original body of knowledge and to the lineage of the teachers. At the same time, our service to the nation, to the people around us, and to the world at large is also the service of the Lord. It renders our heart pure, creates an atmosphere, an internal atmosphere of an inquiry into the nature of existence, and so to provide this opportunity to serve the Indian society, to serve the world around us in various capacities, as well as to bring ourselves close to the teachings of the tradition, to preserve these teachings in various forms that are possible and continue this tradition of knowledge is the main objective of Servants of Shankara Foundation. This foundation, though functions from Rishikesh, it could be functioning from anywhere in the world, anywhere in India, yet specifically from Rishikesh, we are creating an opportunity to serve the sadhus, the sadhu samaj, sadhu community, by arranging bandaras, by providing medicines or providing the required necessities of various kinds. And thus we can create this particular society which is inclined spiritually, religiously, ready to take on its wings the spiritual journey inside and exposing ourselves to the light of the scriptural